Good afternoon. This is Pattaya. Today we will see some parts of Pattaya again because I was some parts of Pattaya never been there. So I have to again we will see Pattaya today. And viewers, if you come here, have one restaurant also very nice, and you can sit here. It's very nice. What is the name, my friend? This mountain? This mountain. What is the name? This area?
This area, viewpoint, Pattaya.
Which one?
Viewpoint, Pattaya.
Viewpoint.
Yeah.
Viewpoint Pattaya. This mountain name is viewers Viewpoint Pattaya. He is working here. What is your name, my friend? Sumet working here. He have one restaurant. If you come here, you can sit here and also you can order drink, soft drink, everything, food. It's very good here. So we will see another parts also of ice cream shop and Thai food. Thai here also. So many foods Thai and cold drink. There are so many shops here available, ice cream, everything you can buy from here. It's nice view. This place name is, he told me, the Pattaya viewpoint. So we will see another side also viewpoint. Very nice. I think is beautiful area, and also have one temple here. And viewers, this is the viewpoint, view side. Yes, this is all Pattaya, and that one is beach. And many people come visit here also every day. Some Chinese guy here also. You're from China, right? Yes. I have experience. I see the face. Okay. Yeah, this rivers is all Pattaya down south. And that area is mountain area. I'll also have tempo here. If you come by car and motorbike, you have to stop here, and there also some parking in the downside, and also have in the top of in some parking here. So motorbike is easy to parking here, and you can walk in the tempo. So we will see also tempo after that. So this is the shop. If you buy something from here, foods, clothes, everything available here also. But it's very nice view. I think I visited before also here, but it's very nice. You see the all Pattaya here from here. This is all Pattaya beach. That one, sorry. And viewers is very nice this area. Also beautiful. A lot of people come here. So let me see another side. Okay. Sige, Philippine? Philippine, huh? Sorry. I think it's
Filipino.
I see the Filipino, that's why. I've been there, that's why. There is a timetable, 7:30 morning, and until 7 o'clock is closing time. And right now, viewers, this is the king of Thailand. He is the king of Thailand. Many people parking here also, and some people take the car parking there. I don't know how much because the writing is Thailand language. So there is a tempo, we will see later. So we have to go like that, and we will see another parts of this area. And we were here at one restaurant. If you want to sit down here, and you can see the view also from here. This is all Pattaya's beach, and that one is Pattaya city. And so many people is from China also here visiting. He is from Europe. Here is a coconut shop. Coconut fruits available here. Adhika. And photo maker, right? Yeah, if somebody wants photo, 150 baht. And after come you pick up your photo from here, right? The guy take the photo and then coming to here and receive your photo from here, right? Okay, we were so like that. Okay, Kapun Cup and ice cream shop available also here. This area is not much is big, but okay, it's a nice place. You can see view is very nice from here in Pattaya. Ice bag supply from some people bring ice from here, from down, right? From city, no? To bring here. He's bring from city to here ice, the big bag you see. And here is smoking not allowed and food not allowed. Bikini cloth is not allowed and dog also not allowed. Yes, he is selling also something from. This is for Buddha? For what? For this. Okay. Nice to meet you, my friend. He is selling right? You are selling this one, right? He is selling from this. Viewers, I don't know about this, and something is in Thailand. And also you can sit here. Also you can see the backside. Also again view. I have to go there. It's very nice place. And you can read this also, the sunsetry of the truth like that, Pattaya. Today is weather is raining season. I don't know what time is raining, but actually it's right now a little bit hot and not much hot, but it's okay. Yeah, this is the parts of this area. Oh, it's so it's very down. I think this mountain is very higher, and you can see all Pattaya from here. Very nice viewers here. It's very nice and very beautiful. Hello, so right now is raining season also here. I think it's a very heavy raining also coming after 5 minutes. Maybe it's raining here. So I have to go another side also. Mm. Here somebody is I think there is a raining season is coming, also very strong rain also here, there, sorry. After maybe here also raining but not strong, there is too much raining and right now I think I have to go change the place because raining coming. Okay viewers, we will see another side. Thailand, Pattaya. Kapun kaf. Okay, kapun kaf. Okay. Okay, viewers, nice people in Pattaya also working here, and also you see all the drink, right? Drinking, na? This is for juice, na? Cocktail. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, this is watermelon and watermelon and okay. Kapun kaf.
Did you bring it to table or?
Yeah, this is the cashier also selling here. Okay. So viewers, we will see another side also temple here. You can parking your motorbike here. Then you can walk from here to inside. Is like 1 minute view side. And there is a temple. And when you are coming from here, is very hard to parking car here, and you have to go again to back to down. Maybe some parts this you can go down little bit and turn right. You can get this parking also, but from here entry is not allowed. Maybe some parts, some car only. Sorry, special. Yes, I'll also have a marketing also little bit here and store like shopping store, small mini shopping store, mini shop, sorry. And this is the viewers is a temple from Pattaya viewpoint. There is the temple and Buddha, and you can walk from here, easy to go down also. Some people walking because walking also you can easy to go down. And this area also people coming from that side also. Oh, very old people also coming from mountain here. And we were this like only this place is the viewpoint. And if you go straight, your left hand also some parts viewpoint in the seaside. And that is the beach side also, seaside beach, Pattaya beach, sorry. And this is the city of Pattaya all. This is south area and that is the north area. That is the north Pattaya area and this is south area Pattaya. And there are a lot of 5-star hotel, market, shop, everything you can see from here. And if you have car, you can go from here again to down, then finish your tour from here. Okay viewers, so I hope everybody watch my video and please subscribe because I today come just visit here again. So it's very nice view. We will see again 1 minute. This view is very nice. A lot of visitors come here, you see. So many people right now here. All mixed nationality come to here and see that this area, sea view. View side all Pattaya. That is the North Pattaya and this is South Pattaya. Okay viewers, so right now I have to finish this video about Pattaya viewpoint. So we will see the next video also later. So I hope everybody subscribe my channel and take care and goodbye.